Tension erupted at Kakwa due to the perceived unnecessary deployment of Central Security Forces. Manipuri's have confronted and compelled the Central Reserved Police Force CRPF teams to withdraw from various locations, including Singjamei police station. Manipuri's have questioned the authorities, demanding explanations for deployment of Central Security Forces, these forces without clear reasons. SKTV News brings you an exclusive report in this regard.
Following the announcement by Works Minister Govindas Konthojam about deploying additional security forces at over 55 locations to manage the current unrest, a team of Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF) arrived at Singjamei police station in Kakwa with essential supplies. Soon after, Manipuri's gathered and stormed the police station, expressing their opposition to the CRPF's stay, leading to heightened tensions at the police station. The police informed Manipuri's that CRPF team would be stationed to assist in preventing unwanted incidents, specifying that only 30 personnel would stay at the police station. However, the Manipuri's found the deployment unreasonable, questioning the need for CRPF presence in a peaceful area and continue to remain in front of the gate. Later, the CRPF left the police station in their vehicles.
Ako'y madalay pa nupi Manipuri singna CRPF matawsi yaning dadala ako'y na kasi police station dagi moy jeng asi kawada lakne na gari mga tara lakpada ako'y na ngamdana tangke adum matung dasu ngasi dagi nate amok khana India government na kari maramgi CRPF thajala irang laitaba mafamda laiba mafamda di thajan ge haidraga kari maramgi iyang laitaba masi khudingi Manipur gi mafam ko koyada Moigi arthado ako'y khangi moibu ako'y na pokpani moi na ngasi asawa sang oirasu mama oi bi ako'y na moibu pokpani ako'y gi budhi laksing gyan na moibu chauna ba yolakpani aduna ako'y dagi moi na namba sunga yaroi mama ako'y lairingai da kanagumba amata na fail tawba yaroi.
The question raised by the local Manipuri is, what is the reason for installing Central Security Forces where there are no issues at all? Their question seems reasonable and the concerned authority should give an answer to it. This is SKTV Premchan reporting for SKTV News, Kakwa.